Oh, there she is. Look at the beast.
Kiki.
Look at her filling the entire screen. Wow. Cyclone. Meow.
Ears.
Meow. Meow.
Nope.
A bit of a kitty. Wow. Meow. Meow. Nope. Kiki. Hi, Kiki. Look at your little nose dot. You gotta eat more clean.
I think it's from her tongue.
You were so fat compared to this one. This is the same Zoom, and this cat is massive. Never forget how massive this cat is, Alicia. Look at her.
Yeah, but she's my baby.
She is your baby. You love her.
I do.
Betty doesn't like kick. Let's see, where's Jordan at? Let's get Jordan. Hi, bud. Yeah, he did. He went outside 7.
Hi. Did you feed
Jordan.
you?
Gotta go outside? Gotta go outside?
Nope.
Nope.
Did she feed you?
Yeah, I fed him.
She did. She's right here.
It's Kaylee's butt's in the shot. Trying to film the dog. Jeez. I fed those cats.
I saw you feed the cats.
You are so cute. And this is our border collie, Jordan. He's an old man. He's a sad looking old man. Give us your sad face. There it is. Hi, cutie patootie.
I don't have anything else for you. This is tea.
This is my kitten. Hi, Cyclone. What are you doing? Hi. Where are you at? Oh. Getting comfy. Is that where she's gonna sleep? Where are you at? Oh. Oh. Yep. That's Alicia. She's sleeping. She curled up talking to me and said she wasn't gonna go to bed. And there she is. Get close enough, you can hear her. Hear that? And there's the kitten. Ready to go to sleep on her. They're adorable. They really are. I'm gonna have to move her so I can move Alicia back to where she's supposed to be sleeping, because if you can see, she's she's on the side of the bed and is about to fall off. So that's it. I just wanted to capture that tiny little moment of adorable